Yeah. So one more register, last one. Just compare with the previous one. Previously, what we have discussed about serial in, parallel out, but here serial in, serial out. So you will get the output from only Q0. Serial in, then serial out. So which is the best? Just we need to compare. So serial in, serial out. The procedure is same. We are going to connect D flip flops. How many bits are there? 3 bits are there. 3 flip flops are required. 10 bits are there. And flip flops are there required to transfer. But while transferring, what order we are following is very important. Previously, we are followed serial in, parallel out. But here we are using serial in, serial out shift register. Then how same input 110 I am taking here. Then tell me 0 clock. What is going to all are 0? You know this is a initial state. Okay. Then 1 clock. What is going to happen? 0 will come. That is the input. Then what is happening? What is happening? Zeros are moving. How it is moving? Vanish out. Yes or no? New 0 will come. Are you following? So 0, 0, 0. This new place. Okay. Then next one, next clock, what is going to happen? What is the input we are giving? 1. When we are giving 1, what is happening here? This 1 will comes to here. Yes or no? This 1 will comes to here. Correct. Then this is going to comes to here. Then this is going to comes to here. This is vanish out. Correct. Then next one. Next one. What is next one? 3. 1. What is happening here? This will comes to here. This will comes to 0. This is vanish out. Right? In the same situation, same condition, serial in, parallel out. What happened? You got output. What is that output? It is shifted. All 1, 0 is shifted to next device. Yes or no? Yes or no? In 3 clock pulse. Just compare. Now here what happened? Here just your 110 is in your registers. It is not transmitted. Yes or no? Now it is in where? In your register. What is first register is D2 register contains 1, 1 and 0. Now data is entered into your register. Not data is transmitted. If you same situation in clock 3, in the serial in, parallel out, the data is shifted into another device from your register. Yes, clear? So if you want to perform this, if you take how many? 3. N equals to 3. Yes or no in this case? Yes or no? No, you, as per your logic, you shift your 3 bits into from your register to next device. Yes or no? Then how many are required? Just do it. Do it 4. When 4 will come, what is going to happen? I am not going to get any input right from there. I am not going to get any input means it is a 0. Yes or no? 0. Sorry. Here 0. This is no input. Here 0. This will not come. 1 will come. Okay. Okay. Then what is going to happen? Next. 5. Then 0, 0, 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Correct. So this is the problem. Understand? Maybe you need how many here? N minus 1 equal to 2. 2 more clocks are required. N minus 1 equals to 2 more clocks are required. To shift your 3 bits from your 3 bit Shift Register. Point is very clear. Don't confuse. So earlier, serial in, parallel out, you have only 3 clock pulse is required to shift your 3-bit from your 3-bit shift register to text device. But here, after 3 clock pulse in a serial in, serial out, still after 3, your bits are in your entered into in the register. It is not moved. If you want to move, you need to do 2 clock pulse extra. What is that? N minus 1 equals to 2. So then, to perform this shifting all 3 bits in the serial in, serial out shift register, what is the formula? Tell me. N plus N minus 1 into P. Correct? Now tell me, what is happening here? 2n minus 1 into, okay? Okay? So same in serial in, parallel out. Serial in, serial out. Just you do one sample, you can understand which is the best. Now do it. Sure. N equals to 4. Clock equals to 2. Then tell me, what is the formula? What is the formula here for serial in, parallel out? Serial in, parallel out. NT. N into T. This is the formula. Then 4 into. But here 2n. 2n means 2 into 4 minus 1 into. So then comparatively, serial in, parallel out with serial in, serial out, the best conversion transmitter is serial in, parallel out. So almost near to double speed. Yes or no? So now registers are completed, counters are pending. Okay, thank you.